This is the VD36 Pro AMOLED smartwatch, adventurer's watch in always-on digital display. Twist your wrist or tap the button. You can bring it into any one of a bunch of different beautiful watch faces. AMOLED is great. This particular watch has something unique you just don't find very often. Swipe down, tap the flashlight. See the light over here? Not only do you have a bright central illumination on the screen, but you've got a side flashlight built into this one too. If you don't want that bright one, just slide it over. You've got it here. You can tap your button, go onto your watch face or back off again. If you want to get rid of both of them, come back in here, go back into the flashlight, tap it, and you turn them both off. That's sweet. You've got power controls and brightness levels and all kinds of things, system settings as well. When you swipe over this way, you get your most recent apps and your Siri control if you're tethered to your phone. By the way, it has Bluetooth calling, music player, all of that's built into this one. When you go this way, you get your activity for the day and step count, calories burned, distance traveled. Here's a chart showing the steps per hour and your last 7-day records. You also have sleep time and that beautiful colorful chart showing you your awake, light, REM, and restful sleep. You have heart rate, and it'll do an instantaneous one. If you tap the button, it'll show you your max and your minimum, and it's running the green diodes to do that. You can come into blood pressure, same thing. It's got your ranges, and you can tap it to do a blood pressure. Blood oxygen, when you tap, it'll measure that using red diode technology, which is the more accurate and advanced. You can set up weather anywhere you want to. Shenzhen, China, for example. Wow, 91 degrees and rain. It must be super humid over there. You've got the watch faces again, of which you can tap and go into a variety of them. This is a fun, colorful one with active buttons in it as well. When you tap it here, it's on and off. When you tap it here, you get your activities, running, walking, cycling, and so forth. But the fun comes when you get into all of the apps. In addition to everything you've seen, including phone calls, you've got remote shutters, the music player, you've got your AI voice and a compass built into this one. Air pressure as well as altitude are in it. When you calibrate it, and it doesn't take very long to do that, you get a really nice, accurate compass as part of this watch. More lets you tap into timers, stopwatches, ladies' cycle tracking, and many, many other goodies on it. You've got a liquid silicone band. It is really well designed, well built, smartwatch etched in steel on the side, well, metal anyway, zinc, I think. And of course, the really fun flashlight is here. Again, this is the VD36 Pro. Check it out.